boss talks, lips move. I'm already in a backroom groove. Metal key, spare door. I swipe it like a prize I stole.
So the GravaStar speaker is finally here on the channel. After years of not getting it, because it is pretty expensive when it was new, but also the brand pretty much ignored me to get this speaker. I really had 2 times they almost sent the speaker out, but then again, as I'm doing with all my videos, I'm trying to be a reviewer, not a promotion channel. So this is really a sad story, because then they decided to not send it 2 times. So now we have it here, because it's now a bit outdated, but also it was pretty cheap to get now. So like the new price was around $150, $200, which was very overpriced. But now it was about $70, $80 I could get it now here in the Netherlands. And while I do still think it's definitely not in a sound quality with that price, its build quality is actually the biggest surprise of the speaker. It has metal build, it has a very cool like touch sensitive volume control on top, but also its light show, while it only is one color, it is fitting very well inside the whole body. Also on the rear, the passive radiator is a cool touch. It really helps to at least give you some low levels on the speaker, but you do need to be aware that this low level is really the biggest advantage of the speaker, because it uses a pretty simplified old school driver on the front, which also reminds me a lot of those C-Lot PT or the S122 speakers, but also the PT01 speakers. And while it is okay tuned in this speaker, really it's no big issue. You do have no like details. It is just really a mid-range driver with a bit of a high note, but not the clearest out there. And definitely the bass performance, while it is doing a pretty alright job thanks to the passive radiator, it's not the deepest out there. And while you can think about the speaker being cheap now than the new price, I do still think that if you really want something to also listen to, it's definitely not a go, this speaker. But if you like something for the design, and that's also the main reason why I decided to buy it, because it does look nice to have it in the background with your videos, for example, then it's a pretty cool device. And also, again, if you do want to use it sometimes for music, it's not too bad of a sound either. So without further ado, let's go to those audio samples and let's see how it's performing.
In der Stadt, Fenster spiegeln meine Augen, alles flimmert, alles platt. Alte Kaugummi im Sitz, alte Liebe in der Chatlist. Neonpreise auf dem Schild, doch die Zeit bleibt gratis. Fahrer kennt schon meine alte Stellen auswendig. Sag du fährst oft allein, doch heute schaust du lebendig. Ticket in der Jacke, Herzkopf wie Alarme. Vielleicht steig ich nie aus, vielleicht such ich nur nach Drama. Yeah. Letzte Fahrt, großer Film in meinem Kopf. Thriller nach dem Bus, wir fahren bis ganz nach oben. Alle Geister meiner Woche sitzen hier im Stoff. Doch ich lass sie weg, seh den Morgen schon lohnen. Letzte Fahrt, letzter Stopp. Ich bleib wach, mach den Gang zum roten Teppich heute Nacht. Thriller nach dem Bus, alles lacht. Denn aus dem letzten Abend wird ne neue Schlag. 3 Kids ganz hinten machen Stimmen in meinem Kopf so crazy. La la la, sie drehen am Rad. Karneval in meinem Kopf so ruhig. Keiner weiß, was hier grad tut. In meinem Kopf so crazy. La la la, kein Rückzug. Karneval in meinem Kopf. Ich dreh mich immer an. La 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 la. La 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 la. Immer eine Runde zu. La 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 la. La 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 la. Kleine Capybara Queens tanzen durch mein Unterholz. Winzige Kronen, große Zähne, lächeln frech, ich trag die Schuld. Sie marschieren im Takt der Fragen, wer bist du, wenn keiner schaut? Und ich lache, doch im Innern ist das Echo viel zu laut. Alle mal später Abend, Augenrot. Alles fliegen, alles tot, ey. Ich seh den Flieger am Abend, zieh Kreise über Beton. Unter mir flimmert der Asphalt, über mir fliegt die Vision. Keiner hier schläft, alle jagen einen Traum, der zu teuer ist. Herz schlägt tief wie der Bass, jeder Schritt ein Risikoschritt. Gib mir einen Zug und ich schweb, lauf durch den Nebel, doch seh, wie deine Blicke mich packen, will in die Luft nicht nur wacken. Ein Flieger im Abend, steigt hoch über Grau. Ich fall, du fängst mich, sag, vertrau ich dir jetzt genau. Ein Flieger am Abend.